everybody, it's John Green from Auto Awards. As you know, we've been building some of the most creative, exciting, and profitable rewards and prepaid maintenance programs in the automotive dealership world for the last 22 years. If you're a Mercedes-Benz dealership, which you are, and that's the reason that I'm emailing you today, you need to take a look at one of our programs we've had in place for the last 5 or 6 years. It's a prepaid maintenance program that's branded for your dealership. You keep the revenue. There's no administrative fees. Typically, it's generating between a 45 and a 50% upsell rate in the F&I office, locks customers down with an 86-87% retention rate, as well as generating revenue somewhere between $2.2 and $3.2 million a year for some of our Mercedes-Benz stores. If you're a Mercedes-Benz store ready to take 2019 to the next level, click below and learn more about our prepaid maintenance programs tied in with a reward system that drives profits in the F&I office as well as long-term retention. Look forward to working with you.